A powerful earthquake of magnitude 7.8 has hit a vast area in southeastern Turkey near the border with Syria. More than 500 people have died, according to the latest figures. It is not yet known how many people may be under the rubble. The US Geological Survey said the 7.8 magnitude quake struck at 4:17 local time at a depth of 17.9 kilometers near Gaziantep, a city of over 1 million people. Turkish Vice President Fuat Oktay said the death toll in Turkey has risen to 284. More than 230 people have died in Syria, according to state media. The Syrian Ministry of Health has reported earthquake victims in the provinces of Aleppo, Latakia, Hama, and Tartus. There are fears that the death toll will rise sharply in the coming hours. Many buildings have collapsed. Rescuers are looking for survivors under the rubble. Turkish Interior Minister Süleyman Soylu said that 10 cities were affected: Gaziantep, Kahramanmaraş, Hatay, Osmaniye, Adıyaman, Malatya, Sanliurfa, Adana, Diyarbakir, and Kilis. The correspondent of the Turkish BBC service in Diyarbakir reports that a shopping center has collapsed in the city. At least 23 people have died in the province of Malatya, northeast of Gaziantep, according to local authorities. In the city of Sanliurfa, 17 people. More deaths were reported in Diyarbakir and Osmaniye. At least 23 people were injured in Turkey, 639 in Syria. Rushdie Abulaf, a BBC producer in the Gaza Strip, said the house he lived in shook for about 45 seconds. Turkish seismologists estimated the magnitude of the earthquake at 7.4. According to them, a few minutes later, a second shock occurred in the region. The head of the Turkish Red Cross, Kerem Kinik, said he was mobilizing resources to help the affected region as severe damage and buildings had been destroyed, and said Turkey was ready to accept international assistance. Turkey is located in one of the most active seismic zones in the world. In 1999, more than 17,000 people died in a powerful earthquake in the Izmit region in the northwest of the country.
İzmir Bornu Özkanlar'da karşı apartmanımız yıkıldı. Abi canlı yayını almayın. Canlı yayını almayın kimse ya.
İnsanlar yardım bekliyor. 112'ye ulaşılmıyor. Buradaki halk elini uzatabildiğine yardım etmeye çalışıyor. Lütfen yardım gör denir. Kahramanmaraş'ta durum çok kötü. Bak. Gelme.
Gas pipelines on the Amik Plain in Oktay burst from the force of the earthquake. The fire spread to the fields.
Günün ilk ışıkları.
Sırastan açtım, gittim, giyindim, çıktım. Çok
هذا المشروع ده كله صار على البيع. طلع لهم 3-4 والباقي كله لسه وتحت.
Yavaş yavaş.
Abi geri çakıl çıksın.
Demir tutun evet. Yavaş yavaş. Sedye burada mı? Sedye burada mı? Sedye. Tekbir! Allahu Ekber! Tekbir! Allahu Ekber! Tekbir! Çok şükür. Elhamdülillah bir arkadaşımızı kurtardık.
As a result of the earthquake, the historical fortress of Gaziantep was destroyed, media reported. Gaziantep Castle was built over 2,200 years ago.
Görüyorsunuz Gaziantep Kalesi'ni. İlk kez bu kadar deprem oldu, bu kadar sallantı oldu. İlk kez Gaziantep Kalesi yıkıldı. Görüyorsunuz felaketin çerçevesini.